Are you standing in line for the bus? I'm standing in line for the bus. I'm not standing in line for the bus. Are you standing next to your friend? I'm standing next to my friend. I'm not standing next to my friend. Are you standing by the window waiting for someone? I'm standing by the window waiting for someone. I'm not standing by the window waiting for someone. Are you standing on the stage during the performance? I'm standing on the stage during the performance. I'm not standing on the stage during the performance. Are you standing in front of the class for your presentation? I'm standing in front of the class for my presentation. I'm not standing in front of the class for my presentation. Are you standing at the bus stop? I'm standing at the bus stop. I'm not standing at the bus stop. Are you standing at the front door waiting for the delivery? I'm standing at the front door waiting for the delivery. I'm not standing at the front door waiting for the delivery. Are you standing in the kitchen while cooking? I'm standing in the kitchen while cooking. I'm not standing in the kitchen while cooking. Are you standing on the balcony enjoying the view? I'm standing on the balcony enjoying the view. I'm not standing on the balcony enjoying the view. Are you standing in front of the mirror? I'm standing in front of the mirror. I'm not standing in front of the mirror. Are you standing at the counter waiting to order? I'm standing at the counter waiting to order. I'm not standing at the counter waiting to order. Are you standing in the middle of the room? I'm standing in the middle of the room. I'm not standing in the middle of the room. Are you standing outside waiting for the taxi? I'm standing outside waiting for the taxi. I'm not standing outside waiting for the taxi. Are you standing on the escalator? I'm standing on the escalator. I'm not standing on the escalator. Are you standing near the entrance of the store? I'm standing near the entrance of the store. I'm not standing near the entrance of the store. Are you standing in the queue for tickets? I'm standing in the queue for tickets. I'm not standing in the queue for tickets. Are you standing in front of the painting at the gallery? I'm standing in front of the painting at the gallery. I'm not standing in front of the painting at the gallery. Are you standing in the rain without an umbrella? I'm standing in the rain without an umbrella. I'm not standing in the rain without an umbrella.